Namaskar, IMD welcomes you in its daily weather briefing program of 2nd April 2022. In this briefing, we will discuss about 24 hours observed rainfall, temperature scenarios, synoptic systems, weather forecast, and warnings during next 5 days. So yesterday, this temperature of the order of 41 to 42 degrees Celsius reported in most parts of Vidarbha and East Uttar Pradesh, in some parts over West Rajasthan and West Madhya Pradesh, in isolated pockets over Marathwada, Madhya Maharashtra, and Saurashtra Kutch, of the order of 40 to 41 degrees Celsius in many parts over East Madhya Pradesh and Telangana, in isolated pockets over East Rajasthan, Gujarat region, Rayalaseema, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and interior Odisha. The maximum temperatures were above normal by 6 to 8 degrees Celsius at many parts over Jammu division and Himachal Pradesh, in isolated pockets over Uttarakhand, Punjab, and Madhya Maharashtra, and by 4 to 6 degrees Celsius in many parts over West Rajasthan, East Madhya Pradesh, and in isolated pockets over Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat state, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, and Jharkhand. And heat wave conditions to severe heat wave conditions prevailed in some pockets of Himachal Pradesh, heat wave condition in some pockets of West Rajasthan, in isolated pockets of Southeast Uttar Pradesh and neighborhood and Jharkhand, Gujarat state, and East Madhya Pradesh. Yesterday, very heavy to extremely heavy rainfall reported in isolated pockets of Meghalaya, that is Mawsynram 39 centimeters, Cherrapunji 36 centimeters, Saura 36 centimeters, Shela 14 centimeters, etc. So this was the 24 hours realized weather. Now go to the highlights of today's briefing. So heat wave scenario likely to continue over Jammu division, Himachal Pradesh, Bihar, Gujarat on 2nd and 3rd April, over Jharkhand during 2nd to 4th April, and over Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh during 2nd to 6th April 2022. And heavy to very heavy rainfall is very likely over Arunachal Pradesh and Assam, Meghalaya during 2nd to 4th April, and with isolated extremely heavy rainfall, that is rainfall more than 21 centimeter over Meghalaya on 3rd and 4th April 2022. And a cyclonic circulation likely to form over South Andaman Sea and neighborhood on 6th April, and under its influence, a low pressure area is likely to form over Southeast Bay of Bengal during subsequent 24 hours. So, satellite imagery is depicting cloudiness over different parts of the country and over North Indian Ocean, and also synoptic systems prevailing today. So, we can see that WD is now runs location wise, it is over this location, that is 65-degree east and 32-degree north, and an induced cyclonic circulation lies over West Rajasthan adjoining central Pakistan up to 1.5 kilometer above mean sea level, and a cyclone circulation lies over Jharkhand and neighborhood, and extension is up to 0.9 kilometer above mean sea level, and the trough runs from the eastern parts of Bihar to North Odisha up to 0.9 kilometer above mean sea level, and a cyclone circulation lies over northeast Bangladesh and neighborhood, and the trough runs from Telangana to interior Tamil Nadu across Rayalaseema and interior Karnataka. So these are the synoptic systems. Now move to the maximum temperature forecast. So no significant change in maximum temperature, very likely over most parts of Maharashtra during next 2 days, and gradual fall is expected by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius thereafter. And almost same scenario is expected over Gujarat state, that there is a possibility of no significant change in maximum temperature over Gujarat state during the next 3 days, and gradual fall by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius thereafter. And as far as the rest parts of the country, no significant change in maximum temperature is expected during the next 5 days. And isolated heat wave conditions also likely to prevail, as already mentioned in the highlights, that over South Haryana and Chhattisgarh on 2nd April, over Himachal Pradesh, Jammu division, Vidarbha, and Gujarat state on 2nd and 3rd April, and over Jharkhand on 2nd to 4th April, and over Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh during the next 5 days. So, under the influence of strong southwesterly winds from Bay Bengal to northeastern states at lower tropospheric levels, so fairly widespread rainfall activity likely to continue over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura during next 5 days. And isolated heavy rainfall is very likely over Arunachal Pradesh and Assam and Meghalaya on 2nd and 5th April, and over Nagaland, Manipur on 3rd April, and over South Bengal and West Bengal and Sikkim during 2nd to 4th April, and isolated very heavy rainfall is likely over Assam and Arunachal Pradesh on 3rd and 4th April. And isolated extremely heavy rainfall is also likely over Meghalaya on 3rd and 4th April 2022. And isolated thunderstorm activity likely over these states on 2nd and 3rd April 2022. And isolated heavy rainfall also likely over Andaman Nicobar Islands on this during the period of, in fact, 5th to 6th April 2022. So under the influence of a trough and wind discontinuity over South Peninsular India, light rainfall is scattered to fairly widespread rainfall is likely to continue over Kerala and Maya during the next 5 days, and isolated light rainfall over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karaikal, coastal and south Indian Karnataka during the next 5 days, and over coastal Andhra Pradesh during 4 to 6th April, and over Telangana on 6th April. And thunderstorm activity likely over Kerala during next 5 days, and over Tamil Nadu on 2nd April, and coastal and south Indian Karnataka on 2nd and 3rd April. And a strong dust ranging wind speed reaching 25 to 35 kmph is likely over West Rajasthan during next 5 days. Now move to the forecast likely formation of low pressure system. As already mentioned in the highlight that an upper air cyclone circulation likely to form over South Andaman Sea and neighborhood on 6th April, and under its influence a low pressure area likely to form over Southeast Bengal during subsequent 24 hours. Under the influence of this system, isolated heavy rainfall likely over Nicobar Islands on 6th April, and this squally weather is wind speed reaching 40 to 50 gusting to 60 kmph likely over South Andaman Sea and adjoining areas on 6th April 2022, and fishermen are advised not to venture into this area. And this system and the likely formation of low pressure area is regularly monitoring by India Meteorological Department IMD, and we will update related to this system time to time in different weather bulletins updated on our Facebook, Twitter, and different weather apps of IMD, and also over our national website, that is mosam.imd.gov.in. You can regularly visit our this national website for the regular update of this system. So accordingly, we have mentioned already most of the things related to the weather warnings. Accordingly, this in graphics format, this map is given here. So you can see that today, these parts of northwest, central, and west India is given heat wave symbols, and thunderstorm and heavy rainfall is symbols given to the parts of northeast India, and thunderstorm symbols is given to the south peninsular India and Andaman Nicobar Islands. And tomorrow, this heat wave condition symbols is given to the part of northwest, central, and west India, and heavy rainfall and thunderstorm symbols has been given to the northeast India and this southwest peninsular India, that is coastal and Kerala and Mahi and south interior Karnataka. On 4th April, this heat wave symbols is given to the parts of northwest and central and adjoining parts of Jharkhand areas, and heavy rainfall symbol is given to the parts of northeast India. And on 5th, this heat wave conditions symbols is given to the parts of northwest and central India, that is Madhya Pradesh, and heavy rainfall symbol is given to the Arunachal Pradesh and Assam, Meghalaya, and thunderstorm symbol is given to the Kerala, and heavy rainfall is expected also on 5th over Andaman Islands. On 6th, these heat wave symbols is given to the parts of northwest and central India, and thunderstorm symbol is given to this Kerala and Mai, and heavy rainfall symbol is given to the Nicobar Islands, and strong squally winds is given to the this our Andaman Nicobar Islands. So this is weather warnings in graphics format. You can refer them. You can follow our website time to time. This is all about today's briefing. We will meet again tomorrow. Till then, kindly download our different apps. Thank you.